Good morning, everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video on Flipgrid. All right, so first thing we're going to do is I will provide you with the link, and you're going to go ahead and click that. So let's see what happens. All right, so when we click the Flipgrid link, it is going to bring us right here, design a video or design an experiment summary video by Luke Aguilar. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to join with Google, and you are going to want to use your HISD email. Remember, that is the letter S followed by your student ID number at online.houstonisd.org. It will not allow you to enter Flipgrid with anything other than your HISD email. So I'm just letting you know that now. So we'll go ahead and join with Google. It's going to bring up both of my accounts. See, this is my personal account signed out, and here is my actual account, my HISD email account. So I'm going to click that. All right, login successful. All right, now it's going to bring me here. As you notice, guys, this is a little explanation of what we're doing, which I will also have explained to you by now. Anywho, when you are doing your video, you can actually use these sentence stems here. I can actually provide you these on a separate sheet, that way you can see that. But these are the kind of things you're going to want to talk about in your video. And again, the video is only going to be about 3 minutes long. Can be shorter than that, cannot be longer than that, but make sure you cover all of this information here because that is how I'm going to be grading you guys, okay? So you get here, if you have not watched the YouTube video about oral presentations, you can go ahead and watch it. It's linked right here. Hopefully you've already seen it, but if not, go ahead and check out that video because it will also give you some tips concerning oral presentations. All right, so you're going to scroll down here, and as you can probably guess, you're going to go to record a response. That is how you put a video onto Flipgrid. So we'll go ahead and click that button. All right. Now, if you are having any issues getting to this spot, that is because you have either your microphone or your camera on Teams. If you have the camera or the mic on in Teams, you will not be able to do anything because Flipgrid will not be able to access it. So you don't have to leave the meeting or anything. Literally, all you have to do is turn off your mic, turn off your camera on Teams, and you'll be fine. All right, so you've gotten here. I haven't really played with any of these effects or anything, to be honest with you. If you guys want to mess around with that, you can, absolutely. Like I said, I haven't really done anything with it yet. You would probably know better than I would how to do all this stuff, because I'm assuming it's similar to Snapchat and those kind of things, which I do not do. So you do have some effects you can play with. Let's see what these options are. Looks like there's a few different options as well, but I don't think you're going to need any of those. What is this thing? Add a sticky note, show topic. All right, so yeah, like I said, there's different things you can kind of play around with, or if you just want to do it straight up, all you need to do is kick this little, I don't know what color that is, red, orange, something along those lines. Go ahead and click that button. It's going to give you a countdown. All right, and then once it's 3, 2, 1, now you're going. You'll make your video, go through all the different stems that we talked about. Make sure you cover everything from part 4, design an experiment. When you are done, guess you can go ahead and press pause. And then we'll go to next. So this will actually allow you to edit your video if you want to. Again, don't feel like you need to do it, but I'm sure some of you out there probably do video editing and other things of that nature. So again, if you want to edit the video, if you want to add effects, if you want to do anything like that, I'm all for it. I think that will be awesome. Again, I'm not really savvy enough to do any of that stuff. I just started using Flipgrid yesterday, so it would take me a while to probably figure out all the cool things. But if y'all want to do that, you can. Either way, once you're done here, you're going to click next again, and then you're going to submit your video. So again, please make sure you type in your full name. You can type in your class period too if you want, but actually every class period will have their own section. So you can type in your name right there where it says display name. Again, if you want to upload a photo or any of these things, you can do that as well. That's a terrible frame for me, but I don't really care. And if you want to add a title for your video, you can do that too. When you're all done with that, you're going to click submit. It's going to upload your video, and there you go. Now the video will be hidden until I watch it. I do trust you guys. I know you're all good, but again, I gotta be careful with this kind of stuff. So no one will be able to see the video until I watch it and approve it. As long as everything is good, then we will check out these videos next class. Just go ahead and hit complete, and you are done. Easy peasy, right, guys?